unbox this multi-cooker. They have 9-in-1 cooking function. This one is made by Instant Pot company. Instant Pot company is a major pressure cooker company in the United States. And this one is made for Target only. This is 6-quart multi-cooker. Let's unbox it. That's the user manual. Take out this. Let's see what's inside. This stainless rack. Pot. This is stainless rack. This is silicone 7 inches muffin pan with lid. The serum ring is already installed. This is the Instant Pot base. The condensation collector already installed. This is the stainless inner part. On the control panel, pressure cook, soup, cake, egg, slow cook, saute, rice, bean, porridge, sterilize, yogurt, sous vide. With all the cooking function. But first, we're going to do a test run. Follow the instruction on the menu on page 19. This Instant Pot. And we're going to follow the manual instruction. So step 1, this is 3 cups of water in here. And then we're going to close the lid. To line up this end, we'll line up with this end. And hear the music, and clicks. And make sure it's locked. Which is on the seal. And then from here, press the pressure cooker. And we set up 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then turn out the keep on, and then press start. So once it started, you can see the pressure is on and it's on high, and then it's doing the preheat. After preheat, you'll do the cooking, and we already turned out the keep on. On panel screen, you can see the progress. Now it's in preheat and go to the second stage. So this is like when you charge it, you can see what's the progress now. Off will go up when it's getting hot. And then on the control panel, when we move from the preheat stage to the cooking stage, you'll hear the beep sound. So now it's in the cooking stage number 2. Will show the beeping sound, and the screen will show the end. So you want to go to the next function, so we'll just turn on the power first. So press this. You can wait until the floating valve drop it down, or you want it to manual release, so you press the vent now and you'll come up. Do not open the lid until this floating valve drop it down. Turn this. you go. And this you can put on the side. Finish the test run. So the water is hot, so this is good. We'll finish the testing. The lid will come out with water and steam, and it's also very hot. So please find a solid and stable surface for this Instant Pot, and also easy to clean up. Otherwise, it will make a mess. So it must be easy to clean. We'll use this Tiger Stripe Pancake to test this steam rack in the Instant Pot. So first for the pumpkin, we'll cut it in 4 pieces and take out the pumpkin seed. This is the Tiger Stripe Pancake, so we'll put inside and the skin will face the outside. And then for the water, use from minimum 1 cup, maximum 1.5 cup. Don't use more than 1.5 cup because the water will be over the rack. The water in. The lid. So this big one face this side, then turn. Hear the sound? Okay. And make sure the switch is on the seal. And then let's turn on this, so it will be the pressure cook. And the time will be 10 minutes. And then turn on the more, and then press start. So this is the end, so let's turn the pot off. And we use the natural release. Now the floating bar already done, so now we can open it. Tiger Stripe Pumpkin. So I cut in 4 pieces, take out a pumpkin seed and put into pressure cooker, steam for 10 minutes. And after this, I'm gonna smash this pumpkin and put into pressure cooker with the pumpkin spice, make a pumpkin cake. Taste this. It's soft, moist, and creamy. That's a good pumpkin taste. I'll make pumpkin cake in Instant Pot. These are the ingredients. This is silicone muffin pan. This is cooked pumpkin. The chocolate. This is pumpkin pie spice. This is the milk. And this is pancake mix. And the dry ingredient is for chocolate, with cooked pumpkin, with flour. So let's put some this. This is pumpkin spice. Let's put some in here. Spice. And put some milk. Then mix well. So first put some oil into the silicone. In that case, the mix will not stick to the silicone. Mix on top. Don't be fully full. About 3/4. And then put some chocolate on top. One and a half cup of water into the Instant Pot, and then silicone. Cover the lid. Put it in. and make sure to switch on the C. And then press here, press pressure cook, and set out the time to 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes, so that's okay. And turn on the knob and start. Oh, it's end. So we'll wait 5 minutes for natural release, and then we'll turn to manual release. Change it to manual release. This, so this way, so water will not. Okay, I'm going to take out these sides, take it out. It's hot, so be careful. This and the lid this way, so the water will come on top, and leave it for 5 minutes to cool it down. After 5 minutes, so we'll take out the silicone. This way, upside down, flip, and push the silicone to take it out. This chocolate pumpkin cake. See what's inside? So inside we're chocolate and pumpkin together. It's very flaky, moist, and soft. Excellent taste. Try this. Here are my comments after using the Instant Pot 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker. Pros: machines are lightweight and portable. Both safety and convenience are good. The control panel is showing the progress of cooking, saving energy and time for cooking and tenderizing food. The silicone pan with lid is an exclusive bonus. Cons: including manual needs to update according to new machine models and functions. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.